A summer camp is a supervised program for children and teenagers. Summer camp creates a sense of solidarity amongst kids from a young age. Kids learn to trust each other and help each other. Summer camping offers outdoor challenges to kids in a safe environment. Summer camps help kids to step out of their comfort zone. In summer camps, children learn basic survival skills. Summer camps are conducted during the months of summer vacation. Children get to learn about map reading, compass reading, and fire making, etc. Summer camps are an amazing way for kids to learn good social skills. Traditionally, summer camps involve woody places with hiking and campfires.